Welcome to our channel. If you want to stop VPN from auto-connecting on Android, follow these step-by-step instructions to control when your VPN connects. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device by tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to Network and Internet or Connections depending on your device manufacturer and Android version. Step 3. Tap on VPN to view all configured VPN connections. Step 4. Find the VPN that is automatically connecting and tap on the Settings gear icon next to it. Step 5. Look for options like Always On VPN or Auto Connect and disable these settings. Step 6. If you see a toggle for Always On VPN, turn it off to prevent the VPN from connecting automatically when your device starts. Step 7. Some VPN apps have their own Auto Connect settings. Open your VPN app and go to its Settings menu. Step 8. Look for Auto Connect, Connect on Startup, or similar options in the VPN app's settings. Step 9. Disable these options to prevent the VPN from connecting automatically. Step 10. Test by restarting your device or disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. The VPN should no longer connect automatically. You can still connect manually when needed by opening the VPN app or using the VPN settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.